Hello and welcome to a new video on tutorials for Moon Invoice application. Today we will see how to import or export your data from the application as a CSV file. This option is available in the settings tab of the application. You can see two options here, import CSV data and export CSV data. These options will allow you to import or export your customers, vendors, tasks, products, or time logs as a CSV file from or to the application. Let's check each of the options in detail. Let's start with export CSV data. Let's try to export the time logs from the application. Click on export. Here you can also choose a location for the CSV file, even change the name of the file as per your wish. Click on Save. Data is exported successfully. Let's check the CSV file that is created on the desktop. As you can see, the CSV file contains all the data from the time logs. You can also add certain details here. The details will be added to the application time logs when you import this data. Click on Save to save the file. Now let's check the time logs in the application. As you can see that there are 11 logs present right now. Let's delete all of them and try to import the data from our file. Click on Settings, Import CSV Data, Time Logs, Import. Make sure that all the headings are same as per the details in the file. Click on Preview. You will be able to see all the details. As you can see that there are two additional time logs here. Click on Import. CSV data is imported successfully. Let's check the details in the time log section of the application. As you can see that there are 13 logs now. So these are the workings of import and export CSV data option in the application.